PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Allentown, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. Our commercial HVAC company installs and repairs all major brands of heating and cooling systems. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is a commercial HVAC? Commercial HVAC involves heating and cooling large buildings like businesses, restaurants, rental properties, hospitals, and schools. Commercial HVAC is far larger, more powerful, and more sophisticated than residential HVAC. What is the difference between commercial and residential HVAC? Homeowners' heating and cooling systems are obviously the focus of residential HVAC, whereas commercial HVAC experts deal with the heating and cooling systems of establishments like companies and other public places. What is your service area for the Allentown, Pennsylvania service office? Our local commercial HVAC services have served Allentown, Brennigsville, Fullerton, Coopersburg, Quakertown, Northampton, Macungie, Schnecksville, Westwood Heights, Emmaus, Cherryville, Trexlertown, Zionsville, East Greenville, Germansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Allentown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC service office located? We are located at 1132 Hamilton Street, number 203, Allentown, Pennsylvania 18101. Our phone number is 610-672-3042. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Hamilton-ST-Allentown-HVAC-service.